I'm Siddhi from class 9B and I'm here to present a presentation on the chapter Nazism and the Rise of Hitler. Nazism and the Rise of Hitler is a vast topic to talk about. So I tried my best to put it in 10 slides. If there is any mistake, please try to forgive me. I'll thank Sumita ma'am for giving me opportunity to talk in front of you guys. So the first topic is Nazism and the Rise of Hitler. Today we are going to discover how Adolf Hitler and the Nazi Party rose to power in Germany, leading to one of the most destructive periods in modern history. We will explore the ideology, the condition that allowed it to flourish, and its destructive consequences. First, introduction to Nazism. Is anyone of you have any idea about what is Nazism? What was Nazism? Nazism एक पॉलिटिकल आइडियोलॉजी थी जिसको किसने लीड किया था? एडोल्फ हिटलर ने was led by Adolf Hitler और उनकी नाजी पार्टी in Germany. It presented a powerful dictator with absolute control, rejecting democratic principles. जो लोगों के normal rights थे, democratic rights थे, उसको नष्ट कर दिया गया था by the Nazism.
Siddhi, you can use your hands.
What were the core beliefs? What were the core beliefs of Nazism? Nazis aimed for a strong united Germany by expanding its army and territory. Their ideology was built on hatred, violence, and racism. Believed in Germany's superiority, intending to dominate other groups like Jewish, Polish, and Gypsies. Chapter 2. Germany after World War I. इसमें हम जर्मनी के बारे में जानेंगे कि अगर वर्ल्ड वॉर 1 के बाद जर्मनी की क्या स्थिति थी. Germany, defeated in World War I, created a fertile ground for extremist ideologies. The Treaty of Versailles. Germany को बहुत severely punish किया गया था World War I के बाद. Germany lost their lands, facing military reduction and forced to pay huge war fines. और जर्मनी के जितने भी goods के prices थे, food के prices थे, they rose. This treaty explained investment among the German population. German population was devastated after the Treaty of Versailles. Economic depression. Due to the Treaty of Versailles, Germany faced economic depression. The war aftermath led to widespread joblessness, carrying prices, and hunger. The Democratic Weimar Republic struggled to improve the condition, leading to a loss of public faith in democracy. Chapter 3. The Rise of Hitler. Adolf Hitler emerged as a charismatic leader promising to restore Germany's glory. From soldiers to leader. तो हम एडोल्फ हिटलर के बारे में जानेंगे कि पहले वो एक सोल्जर से लीडर कैसे बने, उन्होंने प्रोमिसेस कैसे किए अपने पावर के, और वो एक चांसलर से डिक्टेटर कैसे बने. पहला, Hitler served in World War I. After the war, he joined the German Worker Party, जिसका नाम बदल के बाद में नाजी पार्टी रख दिया गया. Promises of power. Hitler was a powerful speaker. A powerful speaker, Hitler promised jobs, a strong government, and a revenge for Germany's defeat, appealing to desperate population. अब हिटलर की बातें लोगों को इतनी सुहानी लग गई कि अब लोगों को एक हीरो जैसा दिखने लगा. Chancellor to dictator. In 1933, he became a chancellor, swiftly dismantling democracy and eliminating all political oppositions, establishing a dictatorship. The propaganda machine. Hitler used powerful propaganda to control public opinion and intimidate the masses. अब हिटलर ने जैसे ही अपने डिक्टेटरशिप से
इंडोक्ट्रिनेट इधर आ जाओ.
indoctrinate the masses. अब हिटलर को अपना प्रोपेगेंडा फैलाना था कि how dictatorship is better than the democracy. The first thing that he did was controlling information. Like newspaper, films, and radio were all used to spread Nazi ideas, shaping public perception and creating a cult of personality around Hitler. Second, educating for ideology. जो छोटे बच्चे थे, young ones, जैसे हमारी तरह ही, वो भी स्कूल जाते थे और उनके स्कूल में उनको ब्रेन वॉश किया जाता था, उनकी टेक्स्ट बुक को रीराइट कर दिया गया था नाजीज की आइडियोलॉजी के हिसाब से. Symbolism and value. the swastika became a powerful Nazi symbol. Huge rallies and parades displayed Nazi power, making Hitler appear a huge who would restore Germany's greatness. Chapter 5: Nazis' Policies and Control. Once in power, the Nazi regime established total control on every aspect of German side. अब जैसे कि नाजी लोग अपने कंट्रोल में आए तो उन्होंने धीरे करके जर्मन्स की लाइफ में कंट्रोल लाने की कोशिश की. अभी हमने पढ़ा उनके प्रोपेगेंडा के थ्रू, और जैसे कि उनका पहला था वन पार्टी स्टेट. All the political parties were banned, cementing Hitler's one-party dictatorship and eliminating dissent. अब एक पहला जो कंट्रोल या पॉलिसीज जो निकाली गई वो थी वन पार्टी स्टेट. ऑल अदर पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज, जैसे कि कोई भी अपोजिशन में पार्टी आ रही थी उसको बैन कर दिया जा रहा था, और सिर्फ देयर वाज ओनली वन पार्टी, दैट इज हिटलर्स पार्टी. सीक्रेट पुलिस, also known as Gestapo. The Gestapo and SS forces targeted opponent, enforcing obedience through fear, violence and strict punishment. अब हिटलर ने सीक्रेट पुलिस, जिसको हम गेस्टापो के नाम से भी जानते हैं, वो लगाया. गेस्टापो एंड एसएस